Hi, welcome to another session of Yoga with Joy. Today this class is about anybody really, because you don't need any prior knowledge as long as you have a mat or something soft to do your little soft, not too soft. So yoga mat actually works the best. That's all you need, and your own body, and hopefully some stretchy clothes so you don't tear it. So yeah, we'll get started. This is for people who have actually never done yoga. So come sit in Sukhasana, which is just sit in any comfortable pose with your legs in front of you. Keep your torso up. And let's add some side stretch in the beginning. So landing your left hand on your side, raising your right hand and stretch. Look up. Now land your right hand, stretch your left side. You can repeat it a couple of times. I'm just going to show it one time. Then intertwine your finger, flip it, and stretch your torso up. In this position, now touch your outside of your left knee with your right hand and look back. Do the same. Very nice. Now we'll try to gently go up. So first come to all your force. So you're on your hand and your knees. Neutral tabletop, this is called. So you're in neutral tabletop. We'll do something called cat-cow. If you see a cat really scared, this is how they actually look. So breathe in, hollow your body out. This is a cat pose. Now we'll breathe out and sink our belly and shine our collarbone. So breathe out and look up. Again, cat, cow, cat, cow. From here we'll come to something called down dog. So all your fingers are spread. Come on your toe, land your heel, bring your torso closer to your mat. This is down dog. From down dog, right leg up, right leg land in between your hands, left leg meets right leg, and you can bend your knee but touch your thigh on your belly and slowly straighten up. Again, straightening up is a choice. As long as you let your head hang, you're good. Now one vertebra at a time, like a zombie, get up. Let's side stretches here. So hold your wrist with your other palm and side stretch. Side stretch on the other side. Intertwine your fingers and look up. Be on your toes. Come to forward fold. Now step or hop back. Let's just step back since you have never done yoga. So this is like a log of wood basically. You are at a plank pose. If you can't do plank, feel free to come down on your knees or plank, whichever is comfortable. Now we'll do knees, chest, chin. These are your point of contact: toe, knees, chest and chin. And then slide yourself up to a cobra and look up. From here, gently come to down dog. Right leg up, right leg forward, left leg down. This will bring us to warrior one, where your thighs are parallel, shin is perpendicular, and you lift your torso up. So warrior one. Stay in warrior one for a couple of breaths, and then come to warrior two. Keeping the legs same as it is, just move your upper body to face the longer side of the mat and look forward. And then land your hand on top of your thighs and get a side stretch. This is called side angle. Come back to plank, to down dog, left leg up, left leg forward, warrior one, so your back foot is in 45-degree angle, front thigh is parallel, shin is perpendicular to the floor, warrior two, side angle. I'm trying to squeeze in like a full body workout for you, so open your legs up and then leading with your chest, come fold forward. Let your head hang. Then come forward again. Come to down dog. Come to pigeon pose. Right leg up, right leg forward. If you can, keep the shin parallel to the edge of the mat. Look up and then recline. Bring yourself up, come to down dog, left leg up, left leg forward, keeping the shin parallel to the ground. Come to pigeon pose. Coming out, we'll add a spinal twist. So fold this leg, bring the other leg on top of that on the side. Just do a gentle twist and look back. Spinal twists are very good for digestion and getting rid of that backache. Switch your leg. Do the other side. Look back. Forward. Now come on your back. We'll come to bridge pose. For bridge pose, your hand need to be able to touch the bottom of your heel and lift your body up. You should repeat it a couple of times. Let's come to a gentle inversion by putting your leg up. Now, if you want, we can do a supine twist. Right leg on top of left, arms extended. Let your leg fall on one side and you look the opposite side. Bring it back. Same thing. Center. Let's come to Savasana, which is a fancy way of saying just lie down. Take a couple of breaths, actually take a minute. I'm going to rotate to my favorite side. Say after a minute, come to a fetal pose. And then lift yourself up. Position. Let's close our practice with a round of Om. You can make any heart opening noise. You can just say O, by the way. So I'm going to do an Om. Breathe in, and when you breathe out, say Om. Breathe in. Om. Thank you, everybody. See you guys in another class.